developer of multi-family homes, provides solutions that are trendy and technologically safe. We also create the beginning of luxury. Conveniently placed on the linear plains of St. Andrew, off the desired Waterloo Avenue, close to all amenities of a modern city, Genesis 28 is a movie tucked away multi-family housing oasis.
Alright guys, Genesis 28 first look. You guys will be getting it from me, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so you guys will be seeing the rooftop area. The first apartment we're going to review is for 42 mil. The second apartment is 44 mil. It has 60% concrete and 40% glass. So stay tuned for a first look, a first tour from Rush Ramon Reviews, the Discovery Boss. We have Parkhurst one over this side, and then 20 South is right behind it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe. Remember to like and definitely leave your comments in terms of what you see. So watch the video. I'll take you through the different areas. I won't do a lot of talking, but let me know what you think in terms of this new apartment, Genesis 28, that's been marketed as one of the most luxurious apartment complex in Kingston right now. They're also saying it has the biggest infinity pool for an apartment, so let me know what you guys think about that when you see the pool. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so today's video was sponsored by Campbell's Moving Services Limited. These are persons that I've used before and I'm very satisfied. They take the hassle out of moving for you, so whether it's a commercial move, office move, a wharf move, or just a residential move, you can definitely give Campbell's Moving Services a call. They're very punctual, courteous, safe with your items, so you don't have to worry about anything getting destroyed. If you're coming from a 7th floor building to another 10th floor building, they'll get the job done. So they do jobs island-wide. I'll put their contact information in my comments, and you can also find them on Instagram at Campbell's Moving Services. So give them a buzz, you won't regret it. Campbell's Moving Services, I've tried them and I'm satisfied. Alright guys, this is the team.
Yeah, big up Campbell Moving Service, we are number one.
Campbell Moving Service number one. Yeah man, big up Campbell Moving Service, yeah.
So when we set up now, you get 2 keys back. You get one for your... We have people, so we are very much. So because of the size of the bedroom, sorry, the living and dining, we all the bedrooms have these kind of windows because, as I said, cut down on the concrete and water. This is it, but you don't say anything yet. But I'll let you know what's what. Alright.
So this one is 44 mil. 44 mil Jamaican.
Oh, that's the next. But you guys are loving this?
Multi-family homes provide solutions that are truly and technologically safe. We also cater to
Food was up on Monday.
Also glass railings.
Glass rails.
Wow.
Yes. So here is the lounge area. So we set up 3 areas. So like the party of the family of you, they have 1 area and a family of another. So this is the lounge, right? Over here, so the same board. Over here there's lounge. Let me show you this. No. Parkers. And you can put me on video. Parkers and you cannot compare with this.
So this is the pool.
It goes all the way around.
Okay.
This is the biggest infinity pool in Jamaica
Mhm.
for apartment complex.
Apartment, okay. Nice.
With a real pool deck.
Parker Swan, 20 South.
Yeah, on Waterloo, you'll be seeing the water, you'll see the lights and everything. So, we got more places to go. You have your whole fitness gym, your entire gym that is cool.
Okay. So it's one central unit.
One central AC. We never going to cheap those. Alright. So when you tell somebody that you live at Genesis, it must be more than the ordinary. Right? So Somebody can say, oh, I really don't have time for you now because I'm going into my sauna. You can say, all right, which night you want to come over? Because it is right here.
A movie theater.
Movie theater?
So the sauna.
Okay, so this is movie theater?
Yeah. So this is a party of 10.
So,
So the chairs are here that we're going to install it.
so your intention is to not have the people leave premises?
This is a hotel.
Yeah, hotel life.
Actually, it don't get better than this. This is Genesis 28. The beginning of luxury. It's the best. Yeah.